Hi, in this video I want to share our schedule of real estate agent. Although we all are working very hard, but somehow we could not able to cope up with our daily routine, and daily routine is a daily dose. Let me share with you the routine. Basically, when we as a real estate agent is gunning for the day, we have our own set rules and we have set schedules. Most of the real estate agents are always think about how to start a day, and most and more important is how to keep that routine in a habit. We are always wondering, when we start our day, we are writing the things, and in our things to do list we always write finding client. Finding client is not a task. Finding client is a goal. So writing down the right things are always most important. Most of the real estate agents start their day at 11 o'clock. But once you start your day at 10 o'clock, you have more 1 hour to perform your duty. We always think, and we always take care of time, and we want to keep the specific time to perform specific duties. But rather than keeping for the specific time, it's better to keep your day and break it down to the different projects. I mean, you should set your routine or a goal into different projects. When you set your routine into the different projects and different breakdown intervals, you will find that more productive things which are actually going to impact on your business, you will start doing it little early. I mean, you will giving prioritize to those things which are really actually impacting on your business. More people think about how to start their day, and the best way to start your day is you should work for 70 hours per week. 70 hours. I mean, rather than giving a specific time to your schedule, I mean, let's say somebody who want to start their day and he want to basically a prospect and fixing up the appointment, he wanted to have a prospecting also, he wanted to go for a social media marketing also, he want to make a new connection also. So we always keep this specific time slot, and we could not able to cope up because every day is different. So rather than keeping this specific time, we as an real estate professional should keep hours in our day schedule. I mean, you should work for 70 hours per week, one thing. Now, how to schedule a day? Let me tell you, very busy day is not a productive day always. If you are busy, that doesn't mean that is a productive day to you. As a real estate professional, as a real estate agent, we are trying to help clients to find their dream properties and making our routine in a way so that we can feel that our life is a meaningful and we are fulfilling our purpose of life. You all know that fail to plan is plan to fail. So let's start your day. How should we start? First 1 hour we should spend while performing the activities. When we are wake up, You can go to the gym, you can go for a walk, and you can give that particular 1 hour for your breakfast early morning. Then second 1.5 hour or a 2 hours you should perform for your personal development. Before going to the office, you can utilize these 2 hours, and these 2 hours are basically for self-reading, reading books, reading or listening inspirational tapes or recordings, or any habit you think you are having to keep yourself motivated in order to pursue for your daily schedule and your goal to achieve. After then, when you reach to your office, your 1 hour should be for talking to your colleagues, talking to your assistant for news update regarding the industry, any change regarding the tax implication, any change regarding the government, or you say any policy regarding the real estate industry, banking industry, altogether every industry is somehow being affected by gets change in other industry. Then you should start your day while making the day schedule and performing according to your business needs. Another 1.5 hours, another 1 hour and 30 minutes you should spend on prospecting and fixing up the appointments. This is very much important. Then for 1 hour, now it's a lunch break. If you are a multitasker and you are doing multitasking, surely you will make new connections while having lunch, or you can, if you are ready to do a multitasking, you can connect on the social media with your clients or your associates, your sub-associates and your channel. Then next 3.5 hours are very important, because that is our time when you are ready for the product presentations, you are ready for the fixing up the appointments, you are making the prospecting. If you are a new real estate agent and you have just started your entrepreneurship journey, my dear friends, you have to have more prospecting and prospecting ideas, get into the implementation and pursue, gun for the appointments. Another 5 hours in your day, you have to look about your all things to do list of the day and the goals you want to achieve for the day, objective you want to meet for the day, and along that you have to keep the schedule ready for tomorrow and its goals. It is very much important. Another 2 hours, now it is at unwind time when you want to have your lunch with your family, and that lunch dinner with your family, and that dinner play with your kids, spend time with them. But before going to sleep, do not come across the screen, don't look your mobile phone before half an hour. Read good books, give time to your spouse, and perform self-care routine activities. Then you have 8 hours of the sleep. It is very much important to have a calm mind, good decision maker. You have to have a good sleep. Last but not least, You as a real estate professional always want to keep your schedule. You want to wind up your day by 6 o'clock, but most of the time your clients also want to close your, they also closes their day by 6 o'clock in the evening. So that is the most convenient time when you are not ready for the presentation, but people want your presentation and your connect with them. Always keep your day on hourly basis rather than being using it for the specific timing. You as a real estate professional, I, Ankush Sood, father of 2 smart kids, always inspired by my better half to perform and achieve my duties, to live more contented and peaceful life. Co-founder of A to Z Marketing Trends, worked for multinational companies almost for 17 years, ICICI, HDFC and IDBI Federal. Turned web real estate strategist and a coach, wanted to support my community real estate professionals to go and achieve the targets. I want to support underperforming builders who their projects are static in nature, they want to come out of underperformance. I'm here to support you. You can avail my courses, you can get into other various underwriting models with us, and I want to help 5,000 real estate professionals or people who want to start their realtorpreneurship journey, whosoever was in the job, wanted to become as an entrepreneur or an realtorpreneur, they can avail my courses and be a part of my community. Thank you. See you in next video.